Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing this look with you. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Skincare first. So I have started off with my CTM routine. First, I have used the Lotus Rosetone toner along with my favorite Unloc Mixify Glow Serum and Pond's Light Moisturiser. For the foundation, I have used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I am not going to be using any concealer for this look as this foundation is a full coverage one. This is going to do both the jobs. The areas which needed a bit more of concealing, I went on and applied the same foundation on those areas and blended it with my brush. Now to set everything in place, I have used the Maybelline FitMe loose powder. Now for my brows, I have used the NYX Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade dark brown. After filling in my brows with this brow pencil, I have used the NYX Eyebrow Mascara to set everything in place. Now for my eyeshadow, I have used the Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette. As you can see, this palette is a beautiful one which has beautiful tones of golds and greens and browns. Now this look is a very simple look. I have used just one brown shade from the palette. After applying the shadow on my crease, I have taken a clean fluffy brush and blended everything very nicely to diffuse the brown into my skin. Now for the eyeliner, I have applied the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner. It is a very nice dark black eyeliner and it is very easy to apply because it has a sketch pen kind of an applicator. Once I was happy with the small wing liner, I repeated the same step on my other eye as well. For the mascara, I have used the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, which is one of my favorites. After I am done applying the mascara, you cannot tell that I don't have falsies on my eyes. Now for contouring, I have taken an angled brush. And as you can see, I have pinched the brush to elongate it, and with that I have applied the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze. I'm sorry I forgot to show the product here, but I have used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze. Once the application is done, I will soften the contour up using the same angled brush. Do not forget to contour your jawline in order to get rid of that double chin. For the blush, I have used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush and I have applied that peachy pink tone on the apples of my cheeks. The highlighter, I have used the Makeup Obsession highlighter in the shade Pearl. Now to set everything in place, I have used the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. For the lips, I have used my absolute favorite lipstick. This is the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Wine and Shine. Now, sugar lipsticks can be a little drying on your lips If you have chapped and dry lips, make sure to moisturize very nicely before you apply the lipstick. That's all. This is the complete look. If you like the video, do not forget to try it out and tag me on Instagram. My handle will be mentioned below. Also, if you like my video, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, share the video with your friends. It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.